please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Street first, where markets rallied in late trade for a third straight day after a tepid start to the week. So let's pull that up for you. The Nifty and the Sensex closed about 0.02% higher. The bank slightly underperformed, ending flat with a slight positive bias. Mid-caps were the clear stars of the day, with that index rallying more than 1% by the end of the day. And it's green across the screens. Anuj joins in now with a detailed wrap. Anuj, good end to the week. Bulls seem to have recovered after a weak start.
Volatile day for the markets. The start was very poor. The end was equally strong. In the morning, it looked like the market was breaking down. By evening, it looked like the market was breaking out. Actually, none of that happened. Of course, the market's still in a range. But from the lower level, there was quite a bit of recovery. Autos did well, metals did well, and select banks also did well. Bajaj Auto and Hero MotoCorp really among the stocks of the day today. Tata Motors also did well. Lupin, Bharti Airtel, Mahindra and Mahindra, some commodity stocks like Tata Steel, Hindalco and GAIL did well. Among the heavies, ICICI, Hindustan Unilever and Reliance did well. On the losing side, you had some names like Yes Bank, HDFC and Sun Pharma. In the F&O space, there were big movers like Aurobindo Pharma, NBCC and Page Industries on the way up, and Shrey Infra, Adani Enterprises and JP Associates on the way down. Let's see, the market's got itself in a bit of a range now, 11,400, the recent low to 11,767.80, they're about the all-time high. And we are in the middle of that range. Next week promises to be an interesting one.
Okay, so good end to the week. Let's hold on to that for now, Anuj. But in the currency market, the rupee has firmed up a little bit, most likely propped by dollar selling by the RBI through banks. So the currency is trading 25 paise higher today at the 71.73 marked against the greenback after having gone to as high as 72.04 in early trade today. Now, in the international market, the dollar is trading in a range versus a basket of major currencies. So while it is weaker versus the euro and the pound, it is marginally stronger still versus the Swiss franc. So that volatility is expected to continue, but another volatile market, and that's of course the current fuel prices. Oil marketing companies hiked fuel prices by 50 paise, propelling them to fresh record highs. The litre of petrol in Mumbai now basically costs 87.39 rupees, while diesel is now at 76.51. In Delhi, petrol is now just 1 rupee shy of 80 rupees a litre. But let's get moving on corporate stories, and here's a CNBC TV18 exclusive. This is the race for Essar Steel. The National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, or the NCLAT, has ruled that New Metal's second bid for Essar Steel is the eligible one. It has also given ArcelorMittal time till the 11th of September to clear dues of its delinquent subsidiaries. Vedanta is also eligible to bid. Ritu Singh is here with all the details. Ritu, what does this order mean for the bidders and the banks? And very quickly, first take us through the background and the complicated twists and turns in the case.
Well, first, key takeaways from today's NCLAT order. 1, New Metal is eligible under Section 29A in the second round of bidding. And 2, ArcelorMittal will also be eligible if it repays dues of Uttam Galva Seals and KSS Petron by the 11th of September. To quickly take you through the story so far, in the first round of bids, ArcelorMittal did bid higher than New Metal, but both the players were disqualified under Section 29A. Then the committee invited a second round of bids, and this time around ArcelorMittal, Nippon Steel, New Metal along with JSW Steel and Vedanta Group placed bids. But on the 19th of April, NCLT, which was hearing the eligibility matter of the two players then, declared the second round of bids invalid and asked banks to reconsider the first round and give both New Metal and ArcelorMittal time to cure their disqualifications. So while New Metal protested this, Arcelor deposited about 7,000 crore rupees in a current account in SBI London on the condition that New Metal will be disqualified. But with today's order, effectively it looks like the NCLAT seems to have upheld the disqualification of both the bidders in round 1. 2, it is also reversed NCLT's 19th April order, which declared the second round of bids invalid, which now means that all the 3 bids from New Metal, Arcelor and Vedanta will now have to be considered. So while the second round of bids were not opened, New Metal, remember, had claimed that it placed the highest bid at 37,000 crore rupees, and Anil Agarwal today told us of Vedanta that they have not really bid aggressively. So now it is up to the COC to take a view on these bids. But all of that said, the story is far from over.